How to mention someone on your bio on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to mention some specific friends on your bio on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram profile. For example, this is my profile. Now I'm gonna click on edit profile and scroll down and click on bio. All you need to do now is tap name of your friend, and first thing click on this and now tap name of your friend. So this is it, guys. This is how you mention some of your specific friends on your bio Instagram. It's so easy and quick. Hope this was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.